Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking restaurant Facebook post for your restaurant or business. If you're trying to create a Facebook post on your own, then this video is for you. First, create your account in Canva. The best part of Canva is that you don't have to create your post from scratch. Instead, you can choose from ready-made templates created by professional and creative designers, and then customize them to make your own. Go to the search bar in Canva and search for a restaurant or Facebook post. These are the templates available to you. You can customize whichever one you like. To explore all the templates, go to the collection and scroll down to explore the available options. Choose the one that best matches your vision and expectations. This one looks good to me. This one is Pro, while some others are free. You can choose a free template, or if you have Pro, you can use a Pro template. I will go with this one. So, click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access to the design, allowing me to add anything or adjust anything. Let's start with the text. Just click on Text, and you will see the features available for editing text. Click on the text and add your own content or modify the existing text. Now, talking about the features, this is where you can change the font. This option is for changing the font. This one is for resizing your text. And this one is for changing the text color. This option is for making the text bold. You can try all the available text features. If you want to change this image and replace it with your own, go to the Upload section. Upload your image from your PC, and it will appear here. For now, I'll just be using a random image from Pinterest. I will just copy it and paste it here. To replace the template image with your own, simply drag and drop it here. Your image will then replace the template image. In the same way, you can modify the text, replace the image, add your own details, and include your contact information. Once you're satisfied with your modifications, customization, and design, rename your file to download it. Then go to Share, select Download, and download it in PNG format. You can also choose any other available format if needed. Just click Download. Your restaurant Facebook post is ready. You created it yourself, and it is ready to upload to Facebook. Thank you for watching.